Hi guys, welcome to another ALCI video. I had this idea. I would like to have several SSDs with ALCI with several other desktops, and one of the things that I had as idea is I should put this on my GitHub, right? Why not put it on your GitHub? I have already done that, so that's documented in other videos, and it's going to be in the ALCI. So on my system, on my github.com/ericdubois, there's ALCI. What I'm gonna do is not reinvent every single time I want to install an ALCI Plasma or an XFC, but what's important for you is the process that's behind it. Okay, let's get cracking. ALCI. At this particular moment in time, this list here, ALCI ISO def, is actually quite good for me, right? Arch ISO. The only thing I'm gonna put in these folders is this, Control C. XFC, Control V. That's the only thing I need ever to build, besides of course Pacman, to build it. Now, let's have a look. So we're gonna use the DWM Nemesis. Okay, so I'm gonna use always, of course, the development version, but you do just the other way around. Delete this thing and delete that line. Nemesis is gone, dev is gone, and Calamaris dev is gone. So all the devs are from me, and you choose the others. I want Xorg, yeah, sure, Xorg apps. No drivers needed on my machine. LightYAM GTK greeter. I'm gonna go and follow what we will go to. So SDDM is the new thing to have. Let's go and find out what we can install. Maybe we'll let's just type SDDM, tap, and you see the sugar candy is there. So okay, SDDM. That's cool. And then never behind, right? Don't do this here. Don't do that. You can do that in bash scripting, but not in the packages. Always next line. Every package on one line. Sugar, candy, and it has a git, right? It should be the name of the package. All right. So I have this, I have that. Fine. And then I'm not going to Plasma because people think SDDM. Going to install Plasma. Eric, you're an XFC. Doesn't really matter. It's the display manager or the login manager, and then you're in the system. So it's a choice, LightYAM or SDDM. Then base development is cool. Linux headers is cool. This is also cool. I have 2 times NeoFetch now. Not cool. So this one needs to go. NeoFetch is here. The ArcoLinux mirror list, so do I want to install later on stuff from ArcoLinux? Yeah, probably. The wallpapers, nope, not required. I have my own wallpapers, 4 GB of it. And chaotic mirror list, no. This is it. Now, how to enrich this particular thing, and I certainly need to do that with Plasma. Enriching is Ctrl-Alt-G for me. I'll go online first, but everything is local already. So the github.com. Okay, Calamaris is interesting, but ArcoLinux D and B. Both of the URLs, github.com, ArcoLinux D and B, are interesting. Here we start with ArcoLinux D ISO and you run scripts. What do we run from scripts? Basically, we have a lot of Lego blocks. What Lego blocks do you install? Do you want to have sound? Do you want to have Bluetooth, printers and all that? Yeah, but maybe, and that depends, maybe it's already installed on your future system. So that's my learning again. Okay, so for instance, Plasma provides sound, but another desktop does not provide sound, so we need to add it to the package list. That's basically it. But here is the knowledge. 1, and if we build an ISO, so if you go for, let's use the knowledge of the guys of ArcoLinux and build their own ISO, that's here, the ArcoLinux B, XFCE. And you read, again, the same file, packages. It's a long list. This is a list over 21 desktops. You install this there, and we don't install that there. And that's basically the only thing we do. Saying, okay, want to play with this Lego block, but not that Lego block, and so on. So a long list of things, you know, download it, and then with Sublime Text make it Perl. And so you know these things will not be installed, all hashtag out. So that's the knowledge you can require. Here you see some other things you can install as well. It's already there, it's just a question of updating my database. So getting the new database in -sy. Let's see, don't see the results. ArcoLinux, yeah, ArcoLinux, SDDM. There you are. So Breeze is now in and Chili is in. So I have a variety of SDDMs that I've created already to play around with. Okay. So that's the knowledge. Where do I find all these packages? What to choose from? But I'm gonna start on my machine with just this, and then gradually I'll learn more, and I push it to the GitHub and say, okay, I need my Bluetooth connection, I need this, I need that, and I'm gonna add more and more elements to it. Now it's okay. Let's end it here. Otherwise, I have other things to say. But hey, so we'll see what happens. You'll notice my configurations will change over time, and that's the point, right? You need to find the right balance between I want to have a minimal start, ALCI, ArcoLinux, and what do I want basically from packages and services. Like Bluetooth is more kind of service, right? Or sharing, Samba, printing, it's all services, but that's more complex. But anyway, that's all these are all decisions, and it's entirely up to you. Okay, cheers.